It's a beautiful morning and today is the perfect day to do the level 3 drop test. While we can't really do the water drop test because of the extensive damage done from the level 2 drop test, let's see if this thing can really survive the level 3 drop test. Let's go! Okay, so this is the third and final drop, and I also don't know what is going to happen to this phone, so we're going to find out. Okay, let's drop it. Okay, I'm just gonna turn on the camera so you could also see what is going or how is it going to fall. Right. Let's go. Okay, this is my height. Okay, let's go. Did it survive? Ah, it actually did survive. Wow. I think this is going to be Honor's honor. It did survive. And well, it has some cracks with the side, but it did survive. So I think this is quite a very durable phone for everyday needs. And okay, so it's a little bit dark outside, but your phone or the Honor X7c still is very fine and working properly from the level 1, 2, and 3 drop test. Okay, this is not a fake screen. Okay, as you can see that it really works with all that drop test. Well, you could see the shutter screen, but except for the shutter screen, this still works fine even if you want to do something else. Yep, it's still working properly. Okay, we do have some external damages at the back cover on all corners, and this is a little bit additional as well, but the camera glass is still very shiny for some reason. Okay, it felt like that the glass protecting your camera, it really did not hit actually. Wow, it's still very shiny. Okay, as you can see that it's still very shiny. Well, this is a good thing for us consumers because we want our cameras to be protected and we still have that protection. So if you want a very durable phone, the Honor X7c can give you the durability that you need outside. Okay, yeah, this is not the best of the phone, but it's a good phone to have, especially when you're driving outside like every day. Okay, subscribe for more tests, and today is really amazing that I get to show you guys the drop test, and see you guys in the next one.